I need to do that. Just so much is different about you hear that? Listen here. So this is the Sony A7R II. Came out a little while ago. From what I've seen on B&H, it is discontinued. However, just holding it in my hand, it is such a phenomenal camera. It's actually the world's first full frame 42 megapixel sensor. And judging by the body, this looks like it takes some good photos. Just from the beginning, like, it's such a different looking camera. Like, I'm not used to this at all. All these buttons look a little foreign to me. Even though I'm completely used to my Canon R5, I feel like I've learned so much about all the functions and menu options. But then when I see them here, they look like alien language. You know, just to even change the mode, you have to like push this button and then turn it. Not a fan. I'm not a fan of whatever this is. I think that's the ISO or lighting. Then you have like extra 2 buttons right here. It's just, I would just say Sony is not really my thing, just because it looks extremely complicated. I mean, I don't even know what this G button here does. One of the benefits of having your girlfriend go to SVA is that she's able to bring every so often something really exciting, something different than what we normally use here. I do actually have another lens I'm going to show you guys. I haven't even had a chance to try this one out yet. This one's actually quite big. This is a 16 to 35. 2.8, and this is a, oh, there is no zoom on this. Oh, would you look at that? This is not a zoom lens. Let's try this zoom lens out. Canon, you gotta line up the red. I need to do that. Just so much is different about it. You hear that? Listen here. Has a real like Transformers vibe. It's a little different. But this one does have the zoom feature. So even if I'm like trying to take a picture of my mic, maybe looking good. Let me see. This does. No idea. Obviously, one of the coolest features in a Sony camera is its ability to do this, because most people, they are just kind of looking at it like this and just want to be able to pull this out, you know, do what they gotta do. If you're gonna attach a cage to it, you're gonna hold it from the grip up top. So if you really think about it, if you're holding the grip, that's the perfect viewing angle for the camera. I mean, for the viewfinder. However, I will say that I am still a Canon fan. I just think it's a little less complicated looking. I think the buttons and what they chose as the main hard buttons are a better option than what I guess Sony chose here. But given the fact that this is already 2-3 generations old, I would say it's holding up. And my favorite thing about this camera, believe it or not, is actually the feel of it. It has more of that rubberized leather all around the camera, so most likely wherever you are going to be touching the camera, you're going to get that leather feel. Other than that, it doesn't really weigh much. It's one of the cleaner looking cameras, very smooth, very stylish still, I would say, and it's pretty compact. Obviously, if you remove just this alone, I mean, you're talking about a super compact camera. But if you think Sonys are better than Canons, I would love to hear your opinion down in the comments. Maybe, you never know, maybe my next camera might be a Sony. It was definitely fun testing this out. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated on the next video. Take care.